Hi everyone, this is Adam at the National Weather Service here in San Diego. We're just going to talk about what's happening for the upcoming week here into Southern California. So, a little recap about what happened last weekend though with the very hot weather and the Santa Ana winds that came into the area. We had some really windy conditions, really hot conditions, but it also created some nice beach weather there, especially in La Jolla. And as we take a look at some of the records that occurred, especially look on November 12th, we had a lot of daily records that were broken. As you can see, Santa Ana to San Diego, we had a lot of places in the low to mid 90s, so quite warm as we get into the latter part of fall. But these do occur, with the Santa Ana winds and everything. But we did have some records that did occur, and then some, if you look on the right column here, some areas even close to their all-time November record. Look at Vista there, only 1 degree off. So we did have some really hot weather that occurred last weekend. And then as we take a look for what's coming up this week, you're really going to notice kind of from last weekend to the middle of the week here, it's going to be much cooler. A troughing pattern will take hold over much of the southwest here, and we'll get some cooler weather coming in. This will also bring some clouds and fog to the area. So especially Monday night, we'll have some fog tonight, and then even Tuesday nights, some of the eastern valleys may get a little more fog into the area. So we'll be watching out for that and kind of the cooler weather. And then we'll see kind of high pressure come into the area later in the week. So Sunday into Monday, we will start seeing some warmer temperatures come back into the area, and then we might see some Santa Ana winds return. Still some uncertainty with this, but we'll continue to keep you updated on that as well. And then just taking a look at some of the temperatures here. This is for Tuesday, so much cooler for most areas, especially west of the mountains there. We have a lot of 60s and 70s. Here on Tuesday versus the 80s and 90s that you saw back earlier in the week. So we'll see kind of cooler weather continue through the work week here. Here's Friday. It looks like overall this will be the coolest day of the week. Temperatures mainly in the 60s and 50s for the mountains and some of the valleys there, Inland Empire in the low 70s. And then even into the lower deserts, Palm Springs, Ocotillo Wells will be in the low 80s as well. So everyone's going to start cooling down through the week as well. And that's about it for me here at the Weather Service in San Diego. Thanks again for following us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And you can always find more information on our website at weather.gov/San Diego. Thanks everyone, and have a great week.